Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the no effects files found issue in Reshade. First, launch your game where Reshade is installed. Once you are inside the game, open the Reshade menu. You can usually do this by pressing the home key on your keyboard. When the menu opens, look for the Settings tab. Click on it. Now find the section called Effects Search Paths. You will see a plus button next to it. Click the plus button. A file browser window will open. Here, you need to navigate to the folder where your Reshade shaders are installed. This is usually called Reshade Shaders, and inside it, you will find a folder named Shaders. Select that Shaders folder and confirm. Next, go to Texture Search Paths just below. Again, click the plus button. Navigate to the same Reshade Shaders folder, but this time open the Textures folder. Select it and confirm. After adding both paths, go to the bottom of the Reshade menu and click the Reload button. This will refresh the effects and load all available shaders. Now go back to the main tab, and you should see the list of effects appear. If they show up, the issue is fixed. Thanks for watching.